Mimar Sinan was born in the village of Aranaz, Kayseri. He designed hundreds of structures, showing his architectural genius in an era where no education for engineering was given anywhere. He built bridges that were considered unbuildable, managed to construct domes thought to definitely collapse. He left Süleymaniye and Selimiye behind as world heritage. Because Sinan had the proficiency to see through how a need could be met exactly where necessary. The works of Mimar Koca Sinan still stand in spite of their 500-year past. The secret of this proficiency influenced the whole world and still remains unsolved. It was Sinan who smoked nargile and listened to the sounds of the bubbles to achieve the perfect acoustics throughout Süleymaniye Mosque. Again, he was the one who designed the foundation of Süleymaniye as a projection of the dome. Thanks to the superb design of its foundation, the mosque will not collapse from a strong earthquake. At most, it may lean over. Sinan's genius continues to inspire architects even centuries later. The interiors of all buildings constructed by Sinan are cool in the summer and warm in the winter. In order to achieve this, he observed where there's more sunlight in every season. He was also the first person to use pumice stone in architecture. Mimar Sinan gave great importance to peripheral planning, acoustics, and heat insulation. Also with his genius, he prevented spiders from making webs and candle soot from blackening the domes of the mosque. These are the intricate details that allowed his proficiency to last even after centuries. Mimar Sinan's genius is unapproachable. Followers may thrive with his guidance through his works of art. Remsan is a company that follows Mimar Sinan and manufactures in order to meet a need where necessary. Established in 1976, Remsan has been the only monolithic refractory supplier for Ereğli and Iskenderun iron and steel factories, as the first company to produce monolithic refractory in Turkey since 1978. Remsan, which began the process of becoming a trademark in 1980, has met an important part of the demand for monolithic refractory in Turkey with its production based on American CE Refractories technology. It continued its production not only with American formulations, but also with products of its own mark after 1990. Today, Remsan manufactures in its Ayaza plant on a total area of 12,500 square meters, is securing its place in the market with its products. Remsan manufactures in parallel with engineering concepts of our time, which asks for the economically affordable solution. Remsan's production is aimed at providing high-temperature corrosion resistance and minimum heat loss. Remsan, providing refractory production for the needs of industrial establishments including cement, iron, steel, and refinery, supplies all refractory needs of these sectors. Remsan's services include refractory design and project management, supply of all the refractory materials and the ancillary equipment such as anchorage and curing of the refractory materials applied. In other words, working with Remsan means utilizing services collectively and meeting all the refractory needs of your company. Remsan's monolithic refractories are preferred as they provide raw material input for the industry, and they are crucial ancillary material in the establishments. Therefore, Remsan has become an organization that serves almost all sites with a smoking chimney. Remsan provides the industry with 9 different products. Ramming mix with concrete refractory, with low cement castables or cementless, shotcrete, insulating refractory materials, binding and coating mortars, blast furnace and injection refractories, special shaped refractory materials, ancillary elements, and anchorages. In summary, Remsan is a master, just like Mimar Sinan, because Remsan knows where and what is needed to manufacture in accordance with the need, like Sinan the Great. This is the reason why it is a must for more than 30 years. Remsan is an Oğuz Kosioglu establishment.